Everyone's talking about crypto this, crypto that, crypto this, crypto that, crypto sucks, crypto ain't good. Hey, I'm here to tell you that crypto's great. Crypto could be mineable, and once you understand the process of how to do it, you'll never look at crypto investing like that ever again. But yeah, guys, so I'm over here. This is my next project right over here. Hold on. Right here. So I got this little old HP computer that I found in the garage. So I need to get a VGMA to HDMI so I can connect the screen to it. Hopefully it starts up. It's got Windows, whatever. But then I'm gonna put this puppy to mine. The same thing these ASIC miners is doing. I'm gonna make that computer do the same thing. And watch, I'm gonna show you how I'm doing it with my desktop. So over here on my desktop, I got this little Butterfly Labs Bitcoin miner. I still yet don't know how to connect it, but that's for another day and another story. So over here in the computer, I'm mining Pi. You can simply download the app and let your computer mine Pi. But that's not what we're here to talk about. This is what we're talking about. So with my desktop, I got it mining Dogecoin. So if your portfolio went down, you could fix it. So as you can see, guys, we mining Doge, and then that's the effective hash rate, and then the local hash rate. So I don't know how long it'll take before I reach 30 Doge. I'm thinking maybe like 3 days. Probably not. Maybe a week. But all I know is that I have the computer effectively mining Doge, and I'm gonna build the portfolio back up. I no longer invest dollars into crypto. I mine it. I will figure out how to get the TV to mine crypto. I'm gonna eventually connect this. But yeah, we're making all these electronic devices hash away, calculate problems, and thus we're getting rewarded in Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, Doge, whatever. But yeah, this is what we're doing, guys. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Razi grows.